Glutathione-rich foods for glowing skin. Glutathione and cysteine are two important compounds that play crucial roles in the human body. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you found our videos helpful, please support us by like and share this video to your family and friends. In this video, we will explore the functions of glutathione and cysteine, as well as discuss some foods that are rich in these compounds. Glutathione, often referred to as the master antioxidant, made up of three amino acids: cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid. It is found in every cell of the body and is involved in various physiological processes. Glutathione acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. It also plays a vital role in detoxification by binding to and eliminating harmful toxins, heavy metals, and carcinogens from the body. Cysteine, one of the amino acids that make up glutathione. Cysteine is essential for the synthesis of glutathione and acts as a precursor for its production. It is also involved in the formation of proteins, collagen, and keratin, which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Let's explore some foods that are rich in these compounds. Whey protein, cruciferous vegetables, garlic and onions, eggs, Brazil nuts, fatty fish, avocado. In conclusion, glutathione and cysteine are vital compounds that play crucial roles in maintaining health and well-being. They act as a powerful antioxidant, protect against oxidative stress, support detoxification, and promote immune function. By including foods rich in cysteine and other glutathione precursors in our diet, we can support the body's natural production of these compounds and enhances overall health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.